And I put some, yeah, there they are. There they are. All those people are from Tyler. I mean, sure.
I want to have a picture.
So he's going to play some originals. You're playing 3 originals. All originals. Very cool. He's going to play acoustic guitar. His least favorite food is cauliflower. He has no idea who the greatest musician of all time is. Favorite movie quote. Okay, I'm going to say the movie quote, see if you can call it out. What movie this is. What you do in life echoes in eternity.
Gladiator.
All right. Jeremy Dangler, everybody.
Mom, can I take a picture of myself?
I'm recording it. Stop.
I think about my inside and crawl into the past. Mistakes I keep on making. Never knew how long it lasts. It seems in this relation between the different sides of me, the better home life is. The better home life is. Now I'm up a stone on. Turn around, going down to draw a line in the sand. Take a breath, feel it move, the spirit deep in your chest. Your voice in your head saying you can move. It's drowning out with the rest. Be still and know that I am God. These words ringing in my head over again. Be still and know that I am God. I found the one place I can hold. My hope is in the Lord. Coming down, falling hard, the past is there in your hand, telling you nothing true, that faith is here to demand. The choice you can make will save your life. This world around is a test. Be still and know that I am God. These words ringing in my head over again. Be still and know that I am God. I found one place I can hold. My hope is in the Lord. 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 Thank you.
They're good.
In case nobody can tell, that's my son. My favorite fan. Just tune That's the easiest song I play. Drop D. This next song is about my baptism. It's called Welcome to Your Life. Oh, oh, oh. been made new. I've been made new. Oh, drowning water still cascades down. All right, last one. Thank y'all for being here and letting me make noise in front of you. Okay, this one's called Wildlife. When I wonder if you're there, when I wonder if you care, she feels nothing like when she's in front of them. He feels everything such that he's always bleeding within. When they wonder if you care, oh, and they wonder if you're there, oh. So now sit back, relax, knowing time that God is in control. Buckle in, save a little minute, got this long and lonely road. Spirit is around. Happy day, you know this way. My face is on the ground. Everyone, come as one. Time to rush the stage and get right, ignite, let's all start a fire. Oh, I wonder when you're here. Long and lonely road. Wow, look at you, you wanted to come and join me on this wildlife ride. This wildlife ride. Long and lonely road. Wow, look at you, you wanted to come and join me on this wildlife ride.
Awesome. You know what my favorite, that was awesome. My favorite part about that was watching his son sing along with every single word. Top of his lungs. You're this really close, you could hear his voice. It was awesome. We're going to swap out.